Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to this YouTube channel, IP Boys FX. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the strategy that I'm about to give you guys is a very blessed strategy, and this strategy is going to change everything about your trading. So without not wasting time, the tools which you need to trade with this strategy, you need the window floating clock and the two window splits. You can see that these two window splits can open a two browser windows. This is the first window and here is the second window. So to set up the strategy, the first you need to select on your synthetic index. So once you go to your synthetic index, then you have to select on your bear market. So once you select on your bear market, so touch no touch, then duration have to be on 2 minutes. This duration 2 minutes, you make it 2 minutes. Then the barrier offsets have to be on neither plus, but I'm putting it on minus 0.40. so before this barrier offset normally change once price change, so it depends on when price change. If price change, that means the barrier offset has to change. So what you need to do is to increase the numbers in case maybe in the future time when you put this barrier offset, if it doesn't work, all you need to do is to just add up the number at the back. Let's say that before I was using 0.38, and you see that once I put 0.38, okay, right now it's working, but when I put 0.30, you see that they will tell you that the barrier must be at least 3668 pips away from the point. So what this means is that your barrier offset always changes. So for now I'm putting 0.40 as my barrier offset. Then your staking amount should be $3. So due to price change, I normally use $2 for this, but since I just want to make sure that I trade only maximum of 6 or 5 trades in a day, so all I have to use again now is to use only $3 to purchase. So I'm not using all my whole $10 in the account to purchase the trade. So once you are done that, you do the same thing on your second window split. So once you done your second window split, then you have to scroll down, then you click on your chart. So once you click there, then you open up on your 1 minute time frame. So once you open up on your 1 minute time frame, then you get to look for an engulfing pattern. So once you select an engulfing pattern, you can see how engulfing pattern looks like. Engulfing pattern is a chart pattern that consists of two small white candlestick with short shadow or tail, followed by a tail black candlestick that collapse or engulfs the small white one. So what this is how it looks. You can see the small one is the B. The bearish engulfing pattern is the small red candle and with a green bullish candle, which is the green bullish candle is the B, which is the bullish. So the bearish candle is the A, is the white, or you can call it the green. You can call it the green small candle, and the red big candle, which is the B, which is the bearish candle. So all you need to do is to just click OK. So you can also add up some like Mazo B candle, but with this signal you can use this engulfing pattern to trade it if you can't identify candlestick pattern. So all you need to do is to identify trend. If you watch now, you see that the price is on uptrend. So since price is on uptrend, that means I'll be looking for price to touch on my plus. So all I need to do is to add up plus 0.40. so once you done that, then you wait for price to give you this signal. So if you're a new trader, you need to wait for price to give you this signal. Then if you are advanced and you understand candlestick pattern and how candlestick move, once price gives you a successive, you need to first identify the trend that price is now going up. Then once you identify that price is now going up, then you need to be looking at healthy candles. Once price give you a green healthy candle and close with lower little wicks, then you need to wait for new candles to open. That's why I opened this floating clock, so that you know when the minutes seconds is closing. Seconds close at 60 seconds, which makes 1 minute. So around that time you will be getting ready for a new candle to open if you saw a healthy candle. So if you don't know how to identify candle, you can use this engulfing candle signal pattern, which is the EB. The red EP is the bearish engulfing, and the blue EP is the bullish engulfing candle, which you can see these signals. Once they appear, price will reject. You need to wait price to give you a weak. Price will do as if it wants to go down. Then once it gives you that kind of signal, then that's when you'll be entering on the week. Then price will reject up. So for this signal, I will be taking only 3 signals. There is 2 ways that you can trade this strategy. You can trade it with the open of $3. Then once you start winning trades, you start compiling those winning rates. So what do I mean by that is that, let's say I stake with $3 the first time, then I won the trade, and then I have to add up the profits like 3.58. So once I add up the profits, then after that I will still add up this 4.27. So 4.27. So this 4.27 will give us about 5.10. So our target on this is to make $3 out from the market. So that means if you do this, you'll be trading it for 4 times, only 4 times in a day. So once you do that, you see that the total profit you gain is $6.09. So which is, you started with $3, and then after 4 consecutive wins you win $3. So this is very simple to understand. Then the second way of trading it is by trading it on normal way. Let's say you started with $3, then you have to trade it 6 times. That means you can choose to trade in the morning time. You can choose to trade in the morning time only 3 times. Then in the afternoon time or in the evening time, you can trade another 3 times. So you choose the one which is much best for you to trade. So I cannot tell you the best about this stacking position. So you choose the one which is best for you. So for me, I like compiling those profits so that it can give me the advantage to just trade for that time and never to come back to the chart or never to come back to the trading again. So I love compiling. So let's wait for signal. Once I saw signal, I'll be trading it only 4 times, and let's go and see how this strategy works. And also, if I didn't see signal, I'll pause the video and wait for signal to appear. And so once the signal appear, I will start recording again. You can see that I spent a lot of time in the market because I really didn't find signal at the time I was recording this video. So I have to pause the video and do some other things which I'm very busy type. So I have so many things that I'm doing, so I didn't find signal on my video. If you check the time of the video when I was recording, that was about after 7. So if you check now, this is about after 11:16 p.m. so this is about night time here. So let's keep checking for signal to see what happens, to see how to take signals. So you only take signals once you see the signal, understand? Don't trade anyhow candle move, just trade once you see the signal. So let's see if this candle can close up, then we can purchase for a downtrend move. So let's go. This is a new candle opening, and this is an engulfing pattern. So you have to go up. We click here, so we are in. So you can see finally the trade just won. So we won this trade. So it was a 2 minutes candle. Already knew that this really takes time. It really takes time. Just wait for 2 minutes. So we won the trade, which you see. So I'm looking for a new good signal to take on this trade. So let's still wait. If I can find a new signal, 1 or 2 trades, then we can just close up. Then I will explain everything about this strategy and show you guys how you're going to trade it profitably. So we just hope to see a new signal. So while we are looking for signal, I will explain everything about this. If you really want to trade this strategy, you must make sure that you identify the trend. If you have a laptop, best for you that you make sure that you analyze the trend and know what the market is doing. Right now I'm with my laptop, so I know that the price is still going down. That's why I hold those positions, because I know that finally that it will go to my direction. So this is the first trade. You can see that we make about 52 cents. So one more trade. So since we make 52 cents, then I'm going to compile it to 3.52. So it's remaining 3 trades for me today. So network is very bad here, so I'm just hope that I find a good signal, then you can trade out from it. So another one is that you can enlarge your limits, you can enlarge your time, you can make your time from 4 minutes, from 2 minutes to 4 minutes. So if you don't really, because some people get scared on 2 minutes, if you don't really want to trade with 2 minutes time frame, you can just make it 4 minutes. So once you make it 4 minutes, you have the opportunity to put up on your trade unit 4 minutes. So even though that the 1 minute candle didn't close at your favor, or 2 minutes candle didn't close at your favor, at least within the extent time of 1 to 2 minutes, the candle will pull through. So that's why it's good to make your time more higher, especially for new people that are still trading with this. And also I'm running up my website. If you don't really want to take signal, if you don't really know how to take these signals, then I can access you to my signal service, which I told you that I will be uploading it for free for a short period of time. Then after that short period of time, it will be a paid service. So just watch. The signal about this is the engulfing pattern only. That's only the signal I use on this strategy. Just go to the video, go to your chart and open your engulfing pattern, then click OK on it. Then once the engulfing pattern comes, you wait for the candle to give you your first tick and your second tick. So those two first tick, let's say if it's a bearish engulfing candle, you need to see a bullish move, bullish ticks. The candle need to show you a good 2 bullish ticks before you can open a position. So what that means is that once candle open, it gives you a little bit pull back. So once it pulls back, then that's where you enter at the wick. Then it has to drop to your limit. So that is how this strategy works. And this strategy takes time, because you need to wait for markets to give you an engulfing pattern, and once you identify the engulfing pattern, then you can take your trade immediately without not wasting time. So that is it for this strategy, and I hope that I can look for a good candlestick pattern to trade. So for me, I use 2 minutes. You can also make your time from 4 minutes or 3 minutes. So if you're a beginner, you are still learning this, you can try this on your demo account and see how it goes. So let's still look and see if we can find a new setup, then we can call it a good one. Just go to your demo account and practice it and see how it goes before applying to your real account. So this is a bearish Mazubi, but I'm not taking the signal. We only take signals once the price gives us a good engulfing pattern. So right now the price is still going down. So I have to pause the video. We see an engulfing candle. The engulfing candle comes first. It gives, once engulfing candle comes, it will first show you those EP, or the red EP or the blue EP. Then if it shows, you have to wait for it to close. So then after price has closed, that's when you will be entering on the new opening candlestick. So we still wait and see what goes on. So this is a second signal. I just got a signal right now. So let's see how this one goes. So this is a new signal that I just saw right now. So let's see how it goes. This is an engulfing candle. You can see it's labeled, it's EP. So new candle just opened. Then I've entered. Perfect. You can see it didn't waste time. So this is the second signal. You can see we won the trade immediately. So just for you to have patience, stay disciplined, and make sure that you don't take fake signals. You only trade once the candlestick appears, the engulfing label candlestick appears. Then once it appears and close, then you take the signal immediately. So don't trade if you don't see the signal. That's why this strategy will take time, you understand? So the best idea for this strategy is me creating a website, a platform whereby I give you guys signals, or my bot gives you guys signals. As the signal comes on my platform, it will first alarm you, telling you that you should get ready for a buy or a sell setup. So that's why if you don't really want to waste time on this strategy trying to looking for signals, you can just wait. Once my website is really done and everything is okay, I will mention it and also do a video review about the website and how it works. So you can just sign up and start using the signal service free for a short period of time. So you can see that this strategy has proven to work. I took first and second trade. So this video is getting longer. See you guys on the new one. Just make sure you subscribe, share this YouTube video to your friends, and make sure you practice on demo before you go to your real life account.